Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save a Gmail email in a Google Drive folder. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go into your Gmail and then find whatever email you want to download and save to your Google Drive account. And select the print icon where it says print all. And now we're going to print the PDF, so click in the destination field, select Microsoft Print to PDF, select Print, and then we're going to save it to our desktop. I'm just going to name it the number 1. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to select Save. And then once you've downloaded it to your desktop, we're going to open up Google Drive, so type in google.com/drive and then another forward slash, or you can just Google it, so just search for Google Drive, and then open that up. And now you will select a new button over here on the left side. So go ahead and left click on that. Select File, Upload, and then locate the file. As you can see, it's been saved on our desktop here like I saved it earlier. And it should appear in our drive. So if you had any folders over here, you can just drag and drop them into said folder. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.